Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on this look right here. Since this week is a Valentine's Day, I thought I would play with some color and some pinks and purples and celebrate that. I normally don't prime my eyes, but I feel like when I play with color, it's important. It prevents fallout and it makes the colors more vibrant. So I'm using my Benefit Air Patrol to prime, and I'm jumping straight into some Morphe brushes. I don't know if this palette's still available, but you can grab any pink shadow if you like to recreate this look. And I'm just laying the color down. I'm not worrying about blending or anything. I'm just literally packing that color on my eyelid, and I'm going above my crease because I have hooded eyes, so it will show once I blend it out. And then I'm using this eyeshadow right here. It's from Makeup Geek. It's a very soft pink, and I'm using that to blend those edges. I just need a little bit on my brush to make it nice and blended. And then I'm gonna jump and pick up this deeper sort of like, I don't know how to explain. It's like a purple-ish pink. I'm not sure, but it's a really pretty shade, and I wanted to go a little darker than the first shadow just to add some depth. So I'm putting this on my crease below the first shadow and just slowly building that up, applying a little bit and blending a little bit and kind of shaping my eye and just, you know, giving more depth and adding more definition to my eye. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do a half cut crease. It's not a full cut crease, so it's just the first half. And I'm using again the same eye primer that I used in the beginning. And then when I get to the outer corner, I'm gonna add a little bit more of that purple shadow and start to do that ombre effect that you can see right there. I'm just gonna brush that shadow towards the eyelid, towards that eye primer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use some glitter. I'm gonna first go with the glitter glue, of course, and just brush that onto my eyelid where I applied the primer and cut the crease. And then I'm gonna pack on that glitter on top of it. After I'm done applying the glitter, to intensify the look even more, I'm gonna pick up this bright purple and add onto that outer corner and a little bit on my crease, very gently. And then I'll pick up the same brush that I used to cut my crease right there and kind of pat on that very spot, so it's like a nice ombre effect. It looks really pretty. And I'm gonna do a very thin liner, no wing this time, and I'm gonna coat my lashes with mascara, and then I'm gonna apply some falsies, and these are very soft so it doesn't cover up all the pretty work that I did on my eyelid, so just to add a little oomph. After that, I'm going to apply some concealer because I want to get started on my lower lash line. So just to clean up and shape up a little bit, I'm going to add some concealer very, very lightly, and I'm not going to set it. I'm just going to have that as a base. And I'm going to start the same, kind of follow the same order. I'm going to start with that bright pink and then go with a darker pink and just kind of blend both of them together on my lower lash line until I have that effect, the same effect as the top lid. And then I'm going to clean up a little bit more and shape up that eye a little bit more. I'm going to add some highlighting to my brow bone, and this is one of my favorite eyeshadows for highlighting. I even use it on my face because it looks so pretty. It's one of my favorites, and I'm going to use that on my brow bone and on my inner corners pretty heavily. It looks so pretty once it's on top of that pink. And then I'm gonna coat my bottom lashes with mascara and apply this nice shimmery pale pink eye pencil to my waterline just to open up my eyes even more. It looks really pretty. And I'm doing some more cleaning up and shaping using the same brush that I applied my concealer with. I'm priming my face using one of my favorite primers. You already know that. I'm gonna use the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion foundation. I've been really liking this foundation. It looks really cool on the skin. It's just very skin-like, not heavy whatsoever, and I like it. So far I like it. I'm still testing it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and use that and apply all the way down and on my neck as well. And then I'm gonna do some more concealing, this time just to cover up my dark circles. So I just apply very little bit, and then I'm gonna set my under eyes and my face using the COVERGIRL powder. And then after that, I'm gonna do some contouring, of course, and I'm going pretty heavily on the contour. I don't know, I feel like everything has to be a little heavier because the eyes are so, you know, they're so vivid. I feel like my whole face has to be up to par. And I'm gonna contour my nose as well. I really like this powder for contouring. It's not too warm or too cool, which is perfect. And then I'm applying a very nice pink blush to go with that. And then of course I'm going to highlight. I didn't go too crazy with the highlight. I wanted to have my eyes as the main thing, but of course I wanted to apply some highlight, so I went a little bit, not too heavy-handed, just a little bit. I need to have my highlight, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I forgot what spray I used, but whatever spray you have works. And then for my lips, I'm using this combo, which is so pretty. It's a very pale pink lip, but I feel like it still adds definition. You know, it's not like a dead nude lip. It makes your lips nice and pretty and plump. So that is it. This is the final look. I really enjoyed playing with some color. I hope you guys liked it as well. And as always, if you like this video, if you found it helpful, and if you learned something new, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye!